You're on.
You sure I'm on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Maddie. It's your loving mom saying happy birthday, and maybe you can figure out why we're sending this to you. Happy birthday, Maddie. Love you. And now Daddy will make Lewis feel like an idiot.
Let that. Happy birthday, Madison.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Happy birthday. Dad and Mom thought it'd be a good idea to film a message to you on your birthday on your new camera. So here it is. And here comes Dad now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Sing it right.
to you.
All these voice lessons, this is how you're going to sing like Pepe Le Pew.
Happy birthday, dear Madison, TG, the greatest girl I ever knew. Happy birthday to you.
Fade to black.
That's pretty funny.